Hi there, and welcome to Wing Wing Shadowing, your cozy space to improve your accent, rhythm, and confidence in any language. Listen carefully, and then repeat with me. Ready? Let's begin. Anna walks into a small coffee shop. She sees her friend, Ben. Anna says, "Hi, Ben. How are you today?" Ben smiles and says, "Hi, Anna. I'm good, thanks. And you?" "I'm fine, just a little tired," Anna answers. Ben laughs. "Too much work?" "Yes," she says. "I slept late last night." Ben nods. "You need coffee?" Anna smiles. "Yes, a big one." They both laugh and go to the counter. The barista says, "Good morning. What can I get you?" Ben orders, "One cappuccino, please." Anna says, "And one large latte, please." The barista smiles. "Coming right up." Anna and Ben sit by the window and start talking about their weekend plans. You did amazing today. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe and join our cozy community of language lovers. Let's keep learning together, step by step, word by word. See you in the next video.